In today's video, I will show you exactly how you can stake Cosmos, Juno, Secret Network, and Osmosis in order to qualify for some amazing airdrops. This will be a full step-by-step guide, so make sure you watch the video until the very end. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. And now let's jump straight into it. I will show you the entire process, but first I want to tell you the reasons why I'm doing this and why I believe it is a great way to make some extra money. The 4 coins that I picked are Cosmos, Juno, Secret Network, and Osmosis. In my opinion, they are great long-term holds, and I think they have a ton of potential. So that is obviously one of the reasons. Reason number 2, the APY rates that these coins will provide after you stake them are pretty good. Anywhere between 10% APY all the way to 100% APY. So for simply staking these coins, you are going to be accumulating more and making money along the way. Another reason, it is very, very affordable. You do not have to stake $5,000, $10,000, $50,000, or even $100,000 in order to qualify for these amazing airdrops. All you need is $1,000 and you'll be ready to go. So in my opinion, it is definitely worth it. Obviously, none of this is financial advice, so make sure to do your own research and do what is right for your portfolio. But I believe this is a great way to make some extra money. And now let me show you exactly how I did this and how I staked these coins in order to qualify for these upcoming airdrops. So the first step is to purchase some Cosmos. I'm purchasing my Cosmos on the KuCoin exchange. If you don't have a KuCoin account, link will be in the description box below. But you can pretty much purchase Cosmos on a ton of different exchanges. Personally, I like KuCoin, and that is where I'm purchasing it from. So let me take you through the steps. On the KuCoin exchange, we're going to press on trade at the very bottom. We are going to select Atom/USDT, and then we are going to purchase some Atom. So we are going to press the current price. We're going to press 100%. This will give us about $106 worth of Atom. But in order to qualify for these airdrops, you'll need to stake between $250 and $300 of each of these coins. So you will need to download the Kepler wallet in order to stake your coins. This is just like every other wallet. You're going to get your seed phrase, keep it in a secure place, and once you have created your wallet, it will look something like this. And then all you have to do is copy the address. Once that address is copied, we're going to go back to the KuCoin exchange and we're going to send over the Atom that we just purchased. And on the withdraw screen, we are going to paste our new Cosmos address and we are going to withdraw all the Cosmos that we just purchased. And then we are going to go back to the Kepler wallet and you should see the Atom that we just sent. So if you are looking to stake Cosmos Atom, this is how you do it. All you have to do is press stake. This will show you a list of validators. In order to qualify for these airdrops, you have to pick a decentralized validator. You cannot pick Binance, Coinbase, or any of the other centralized exchanges. If you do, you will not qualify for any of the airdrops. You will still make rewards from staking, but 0 airdrops. In my opinion, this is very critical. The ones that I personally picked are Stake.Fish and Cosmos Station. But there's a ton of other ones you can pick and you will be just fine. Just avoid Binance and Coinbase. And now we are going to select Cosmos Station. And then right here, all you have to do is press stake. And then we are going to enter the amount of Cosmos that we are trying to stake. As you can see, we have 4.5, but for this example, we are only going to stake 1. For memo, we're going to leave it blank. And for the fees, we are going to press low. And then we are going to press stake. As you can see, the fee is only 6 cents. So we are going to press approve. And then in a couple of seconds, our transaction will go through and we will be officially staking some Cosmos. That is the easy one. Also guys, at the end of this video, I will show you how you can increase your chances of airdrops and how you can get even more free money. Probably 5-10x more than you normally would. So make sure to watch until the very end. And now let me show you how you can stake Osmosis. All you have to do is press on the little globe at the very bottom of the wallet. This will bring us to the exchange portal. As you can see, our Atom balance is not showing. So all you have to do is click on the 3 lines in the top right corner, then select assets. Once you select assets, you are going to scroll down, and where it says Cosmos Atom, you are going to press deposit. And then it will show you what address you are depositing from into this platform. You are going to press max. We have 3.5 Atom that we are depositing. You're going to press deposit. You're going to approve the transaction. And then when you go back to the exchange portal, your Atom balance will be updated. For this example, we are going to be converting 1 Atom to 2.98 Osmosis. We're going to press swap. We're going to press approve. As you can see, the fees are absolutely nothing. It is free to swap on the Cosmos ecosystem. And in my opinion, that is a huge bonus. Once it goes through, we are going to go all the way back to our wallet, and then it will be updated once again. And then in the top left corner where it says Cosmos Hub, we are going to press it, and then we will click on Osmosis. Once you click on Osmosis, you will see your brand new balance of 2.99 Osmosis. All you have to do once again is press stake, select your validator. Let's go to Cosmos Station once again. We're going to press stake. We're going to put the max amount, the fee 0. We're going to press stake, approve, and kabam. That is how easy it is to stake Osmosis on the Kepler wallet. And now let's stake some Juno. The process is pretty much identical. We are going to press on the world at the very bottom. We're going to press Osmosis. Atom is already selected. We're going to swap it to Juno. We're going to select Juno. We're going to swap 1 Atom. That will give us 0.85 Juno. We're going to press swap. 0 fees. Awesome. We're going to press approve. So once the transaction is complete, you're going to go back into your Juno wallet. But keep watching. Once you go back to your Juno wallet, you will see that your balance is not showing. It still shows 0 Juno. So to fix this, all you have to do is go back to this page, click on the 3 lines in the top corner, press assets, scroll down to Juno. Once you see it, you're going to press withdraw. Then press the max amount, press withdraw. Approve, also 0 fees. Then when you go back to your Juno wallet, your balance will be updated. All you have to do then is press stake, select your validator, press stake again, low fees, max amount, press stake, approve. Then the transaction will be pending for a couple seconds. Then it will be successful. All you have to do is press confirm, and now you're staking some Juno. Pretty much same as Osmosis and the other ones. But let's talk about staking secret. This is where you have to download the Chrome extension for Cosmos. And let me show you exactly how it's done. So to get the Kepler Chrome extension, you will need to go to kepler.app and then simply press install and then install it on your browser. Once the Chrome extension is installed, you are going to use your private keys, those secret words, from your mobile Kepler wallet. This way everything will be in one wallet and it will be super easy to track. Once you have done that, it will look something like this. And when you press on Cosmos, you'll be able to see how much we are staking. And then you can press on Osmosis and you will see how much Osmosis we are staking, and so on and so on. So once you have done everything on your desktop, we're going to use the app once again. So we're going to press on the world again. And then right here, we are going to select secret. And then we are going to convert 1 Atom. Let's see, selected. And that will give us 4.59 secret. So we're going to press swap, fee 0 once again, approve. Once the transaction is approved, we are going to press the 3 lines in the top right corner again. We're going to press assets. We're going to scroll down to secret and we're going to press withdraw. Obviously, we're going to do the max amount. We're going to press withdraw. We're going to press approve. So once you exchange your Atom for Secret Network, most of the time the transaction is super quick and you can automatically go over to your desktop and pretty much stake it. But sometimes there's issues and it doesn't go as fast. So click on the 3 lines in the top right corner, press assets, and then you're going to scroll all the way down. And then you're going to see that your transactions are pending. As you can see, we withdrew 4.57 secret, and I realized that it didn't show up on the laptop, but I do have a little bit of secret on my wallet, so I'll show you exactly how it's done. Let's continue. And now we are back inside the Chrome extension, and when you click on your wallet, you are going to see that you will have the secret network option. So when you click on it, you will see exactly how much secret you have and the amount that it is staked. So all you have to do is go over to the left side, press secret network, press stake, and then select your validator on this page. I have already selected Citadel.1, so we're going to press manage. Over here, you are going to press delegate. It will show you how much secret you have available. This is pretty much staking, so we're going to press the max. Keep in mind, when you unstake, it will take 21 days for your funds to be available. Low fees, and we're going to approve. And that is how easy and simple it is to stake your secret. For everyone that made it this far into the video, I appreciate you. And now let me show you a little secret that can help you make even more money and that can help you get even more airdrops. When you open your wallet and you scroll down, you will see the word governance. This is where people that own that particular token or that crypto gets to make decisions. So the more you interact with these blockchains, the higher your chances of you getting even bigger airdrops. There has been plenty of airdrops where people that were simply staking, they made $1,000. But people that took time to vote and took time to interact, to use all the swap features, they managed to get $10,000 worth of free money. So the more you interact with the ecosystem, the more you will be rewarded. If you take time to vote on governance, if you take time to swap around some tokens, all of this will increase your chances of getting even bigger airdrops. Some of these airdrops might be worth $5 to $10. Others might be worth $5,000 to $10,000. But the more you interact with the ecosystem, the bigger your airdrops are going to be. All right, everybody, that concludes this video. I appreciate every single one of you for watching. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop them in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer and help out as much as I possibly can. And remember, none of this is financial advice. This is just what I'm personally doing. Remember, do your own research and do what is right for your portfolio. And don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.